In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Elementor template, a handy skill for any WordPress user looking to migrate their site design or share their creative work. To start, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Elementor menu on the left-hand side. Hover over it and select Tools from the drop-down menu. Once you've clicked on Tools, in the top navigation bar, you'll see an option labeled Import/Export Kit. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in the right place to begin exporting your Elementor template. Now, let's focus on the process of exporting. You'll notice a button labeled Export. Go ahead and give that a click. This step initiates the preparation of your design kit. You'll be prompted to name your kit. Pick a name that makes it easy for you to identify later on, something clear and descriptive. It's also helpful to enter a description. While this step is optional, adding a few details about what's in the kit can save you and anyone who might use it later a lot of time and confusion. The next part involves choosing what exactly you want to include in your export. You have several options here. First, consider whether you need to include all of your templates. This includes your headers, footers, and any layouts you've saved. If you're moving your entire site or sharing a fully designed theme with someone, you'll likely want to select this option. Next, decide on including the site content. This covers all the pages and posts you've created, as well as any custom types you might have added. Lastly, think about incorporating your site settings. These relate to the global fonts, colors, and layout settings that you've customized. Including these can be crucial for maintaining consistency across different platforms or setups. Page speed and user experience can vary widely depending on the level of customization and detail, so be sure to consider this when making your selections. After you've selected everything you need, click Next. You'll then see a list of required plugins. Make sure you check these so that your exported kit functions seamlessly when imported on another WordPress site. Once everything looks good and you're confident with your selections, it's time to wrap up the export. You have the choice to export this collection as a zip file. Alternatively, if you prefer more flexible access, you could save it to your cloud library. Both options are excellent for different scenarios. A zip file is convenient for local storage or quick transfers, while a cloud library is excellent for ongoing accessibility and collaboration. With all this accomplished, your full kit export package is ready. This package is perfect for moving your comprehensive site design to another WordPress installation. Whether you're starting fresh or helping a friend, you now have all the tools to effortlessly carry your design vision wherever it needs to go. So go ahead, give it a try, and experience the ease that comes with mastering Elementor exports.